Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. So, this is a very hatke video of what I usually make. This is a very old shelf which my uncle had for so long and now he bought it from me from his shop. At first, I sand down this shelf with the sandpaper to remove all the rust or candle wax or any impurity. I chose two basic colors, one in dark brown and other in black, and then I spray painted the shelf well. At first I used gloves, then it didn't work for me, then I simply started with my hand. As you can see, my uncle helped me a lot in this. We spray painted the front side of the shelf. And then we flipped it over and made the same effect it has on the front side. Doesn't it give a Dalmatian look? Then I rough sketched all the thing I wanted on my shelf, where and how to put them accordingly. I went to Z Square, it's the biggest mall in Kanpur, to buy some lamps and mats to place them on. At first, I started with the first row of the shelf, placing everything according to the size. Placing the mats I bought from Miniso, and then I put a rug in the middle. And then I put my favorite book, and onto that I placed my favorite lamp, which I bought on sale from Home Center India, and the light inside it I bought them from Amazon. A pot from my mother's garden and a photo frame from Market 99. Then for the second shelf, for the second row, I placed my Canon printer with the lamp also from Home Center. This is a time lapse of half of the shelf decoration. For the third row, I bought an organizer from Miniso in which I put the printer rings and my praying mat. Then I complemented the organizer with a Home Center's lamp and a pot from Market 99 and a candle which me and my sister made. Here is a labeled video on what's on the shelf. Hope you all liked it. Thank you for watching. See you all next time. Bye bye.